Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for today, Wednesday, until Friday, February 3 to 5, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin to check out our latest GovSat. Again, this is for the next 24 hours, beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. There's still no changes in the current weather systems across the Philippine Islands. The Northeastern Monsoon will continue to prevail over the three-fourths of the Philippine Islands. That includes the extreme northern parts of Luzon, Eastern Luzon, CaLaBaRZon, Metro Manila, Bicol region, MiMaRoPa, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, Northern and Northeastern Mindanao. So expect some breezy conditions with some rough seas. And although the weather is good, there are some passing showers in between the morning or afternoon daytimes. So expect this kind of situation for the next 24 to 48 hours as the high pressure here, the subtropical high, which is releasing these northeast monsoonal winds across the Philippine Islands, will continue to be present and is now moving towards the southern tip of Japan. So far, still good news. No tropical disturbance or LPA forming over the Western Pacific. We just have here some couple of surface troughs, one here to the south of Palau near the equator, and another one here over Cosray, over the easternmost part of Micronesia. So there you go. That's the latest from our GovSat. By the way, the temperatures will still go down as low as 22 or 23 degrees, with a high of up to 30 degrees across the Philippine Islands. So those are the general averages of low and high temperature over our country. And as we look at our fast animation, so we can see here some low-level cloudiness brought about by the northeast monsoon, generating some showers passing by, but it will just be a short, a few minutes, and good weather again will prevail. And we have here a surface trough, which looks like a low pressure area, but it's not. And it's not expected to evolve. And as we look at our fast animation, this is from the windy.com satellite server. Nothing is still the same weather system. You can see some low-level stratus and cumulus clouds affecting the extreme northern and eastern parts of Luzon, including Bicol region, northern Samar, the Visayas, particularly eastern Visayas. Also here across MiMaRoPa, Sulu Archipelago, Northern and Northeastern Mindanao. So far, that's the latest from our satellite. And as we look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation, this is the forecast from the European model, ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com. We have a shift of the 3-day rainfall accumulation, the forecast, from the eastern sections of Visayas and eastern Mindanao. We move up a notch, and it's now up north, and it will affect the eastern sections of northern Quezon, Bicol region, and the eastern sections of Mindoro, as well as Marinduque and Romblon, and some portions of northern Panay. So expect some showers across these areas for the next 3 days, beginning today, Wednesday, until Friday. So this rain event is nothing to worry about. Just some light to at times moderate rainfall. And it's almost, and this rainfall is passing. It's just passing by on and off because of this northeast monsoon. So this is the overall rain for the next 3 days, which is around 49 to 100 millimeters total. Okay, so that's the latest from our rainfall accumulation. Now let's take a look at our windy.com American model wind forecast for the next 3 days. So by tomorrow morning, Thursday, still winds of up to 45 kph will be expected across the eastern sections of the Bicol region, and some winds of up to 35 kph over inland Bicol region, and also across Batanes, Babuyan Cubao Islands, the eastern sections of Central Luzon, particularly CaLaBaRZon, Sulu Archipelago, and also here across, which includes Amihan. And on Friday, we are going to witness some weakening of and on Friday, the forecast shows the weakening of the Northeast Monsoon into just surface, the northeasterly surface wind flow. So far, that's the latest from our wind forecast. Now, let's take a look at our global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. And for the next 2 weeks, beginning week 1, here's the latest for week 1, valid February 3 to February 9. Above average rainfall may be expected across the eastern sections of Visayas and Eastern Mindanao. While on February 10 to 16 or week 2, a moderate or medium chance of above average rainfall will be expected across Mindanao. So this still around 50% probability. So far, that's the latest. We don't have any tropical cyclone formation over the next 2 weeks. So this is good news. Okay, so that ends our update for this Wednesday through Friday, February 3 to 5, and we'll be back again within the next couple of days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our weather channel.